Welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI Prodigy. We are going to learn about using decomposition tree but as a as in a parameter. So what does decomposition tree does? So I have a sales. So if I go with quantities as I want to analyze by quantities with respect to product name, category and customer name, region, segment. So now with respect to this I can go with the products which are doing good. I can go with a high value with respect to product. Electronics category does better, and with respect to regions, north does better, and with respect to customer name, and now here with respect to segment. And the best part of decomposition tree is you can change the order and then get to the root cause. So we are going to achieve a way of similar way of visualization, but as in a bar graph or into a matrix. So let's get started with the solution. So I'll keep this for reference here below, and now let's get started regarding, let's take a matrix, and now here I will pull in category, segment, region, customer name and product name, and all these things with respect to my quantity. So this is how it looks right now. So these are the categories with respect to that: retail and wholesale. And in retail it's east, north, south, west zones. Under east, these are the customers who are doing this purchase, and these are the products bought by this customer. What if I want to see that in a reverse order into in a matrix? So that's the overall idea of it. Or what if I want to see only all the customers irrespective of category or zone, segment, region, or even product name? I want to just see that product name. So that's the requirement. So let's keep this here, and now we'll get started. We'll go with fields. Let me call it as decomposition tree. And from here let's pull in category, segment, region, customer name, product, and then I'll keep this selected, add slicer to this page. Here is the slicer added. Let's keep this slicer here, and then data matrix, pull in quantity to the values, and here we have the decomposition tree parameter. Let me pull it in here. So now when I select segment, it will be at the segment level. When I select region, it will be at the region level. When I select customer, it will be at the customer level, sum of quantity. And when I select product, it will be with respect to the product. So if I want to see product, how many customers have bought, so then I'll go with customer name selected and product name. So with respect to this, I'll have customer 1 bought all these products and their quantities. Likewise, if I want to bring in region, product C was sold in north region. So if I want to do the other way around, I'll select region and then the product. So customer 1 in north region, all these products were bought, and customer 1 belongs to north region. I'll take out customer and go with segment, uncheck region, uncheck project, region, segment wise, and then the product name. So in east, so I'll have retail, wholesale. Under wholesale, what are the products which were correct? So this is one way of doing it. And also, if we want to use this in a bar chart, for example, let me pull in this bar chart here, and then go with decomposition tree as a x-axis, and then the quantity over here, the y-axis. So now it's with respect to east, north, south, and west. So I can drill down with respect to the selections what I have made. It will get into the segment, and under segment I can get into the product name. So now if I want to bring in category only, I can select category, so it will be at the category level, and then the segment. So if I drill down through the segment, it will be there. If nothing is selected, it will be at the highest level. So all the levels will be available with respect to the way we have created, category being the first one, and going inside we have segment, and then we have region, customer name, and the products bought by those customers. So this is the one of the ways which we can mimic a decomposition tree, but using them in a bar chart or a matrix or any other visuals which we want to use. Even the same things can be used in a pie chart. So if I'm going with category, let me clear this filter. So category, segment, region, customer name, product name. For more hacks, follow my channel Power BI Prodigy. So thank you.
Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel Power BI Prodigy and keep supporting. Thank you.